Hey guys, my name is Mrs. Edmondson and I will be teaching you Math B this year. I know things are a little different since you are virtual, but I wanted to introduce myself to you, so this is one of your assignments for the week. So the question is, who in the world is Miss Edmondson? I'm down here in the corner. Hey! I am 27 years old and this is my 5th year teaching here at Glanton-Heinzman. For my first 3 years, I taught 5th grade. I taught ELA, Science and Social Studies, and this is going to be my 2nd year in math in 3rd grade. So we are super excited to have you in our math class. You will have Miss McDaniel for one part of math and then me for another. I graduated from the University of West Georgia for both my undergraduate and graduate degree, as well as my autism endorsement. I'm currently back in school for my gifted endorsement, and who knows what's going to happen next. This is our 3rd grade virtual classroom. I'm so glad to have each and every single one of you with us. I really hope we're able to build a close bond and a close relationship with one another through our meetings. And of course, we will do a lot of this through Google Classroom, and you'll have assignments. You should already see kind of how the layout's going to go. Since you're on this PowerPoint, that means you found it. Brandon and Hank, so my husband's in the middle, that's Brandon. And then we have a dog named Hank. Hank is 7 years old, and he is a wild child. He loves to go on runs, and he likes to swim, and he likes to drive me crazy. But that's okay, right? That's what dogs are for. I have 3 nieces and another one on the way, and then I have a nephew and a niece from another sister. So as you see in the picture, I have Annabelle, Scarlett, Evelyn, Ella's in the middle, and then I have Easton, which is the newest one, and then another niece is coming in October, so we're super excited to have another family member joining us. My best friend, Ella, was in the center, but let me tell you, this girl keeps me on my toes. And as you can see, I think in every single picture here, she's eating ice cream. That is her staple. That's what she lives on. So we have to enjoy tons of ice cream every day. But that is my best friend. Where I went to school, guys, I was raised here in Carroll County. I attended Sharp Creek Elementary, then went to Bay Springs, which is where some of y'all will go, and then graduated in 2011 from Villa Rica High School. I definitely love being part of the Villa Rica cluster, and coming to work at Glanton was definitely a dream, and I get to see some very familiar faces of people I went to school with and their kids that now attend Glanton. I love to travel. Whenever we get a chance, my husband and I will take off. Of course, with the pandemic, we did not get to travel very much this year. We made a few short trips, but nothing like our normal vacations. But that's okay. We'll get to travel in the future, hopefully. I did go to University of West Georgia, as mentioned before. These are just some of my favorites. My favorite color is pink. My husband and I love Auburn and are always watching football games. So on Saturdays, you can catch us either at games or watching them at home. Fall is my favorite season. Starbucks is my favorite place to get coffee. And I am obsessed with all kinds of music. So I guarantee we can find songs that both you and I love. I am going to be teaching you math this year. There's going to be a lot of multiplication, a lot of adding and subtracting, and definitely building that fluency. So parents, if you don't have flashcards at home, if you don't, I know Dollar Tree and Target have them in their dollar section. You can also order them off Amazon. That's very important because we do need to master our multiplication facts in 3rd grade. So go ahead and grab some cards and start practicing at home. We will do activities where we're practicing our multiplication, but it's even easier when you have those flashcards to study every night. Parents, if you need to contact me, we do have the virtual learning page, and you can contact me through Google Classroom. You can contact me on Class Dojo. My personal email is emily.edmondson@carrollcountyschools.com, or we also have the virtual learning email, which you should have received through Class Dojo and through the your personal email, because we send email out. If y'all have any questions for me, feel free to contact me in any of those ways. I look forward to working with each and every single one of you. I know I've only met a couple of you, but I do want to tell you that I love you, and I'm so happy to work with you this year. And hopefully some of y'all will be joining us soon as things start to calm down. Anyways, I love you, and we will see you soon. Bye, guys.